Alright, so now, this is the fun part. You have a door, and you have a little hallway, and you have his closet, because it's just a little bit smaller. I know, guys, women get all the big closets. And then the bathroom ahead, and I think this is her closet. It has natural light. And then the bathroom. And it's absolutely gorgeous. You have a vanity. You have dual vanity for sinks. And then like a makeup vanity. Or another makeup vanity. TV. You could spend the whole day in here. It's absolutely gorgeous. With a nice, nicely done shower. Potty's over there. No door. And that's another closet space. I'll show you that in a minute.